Hey everyone, bet you can't guess who's on this channel now. It's me. Okay, yes, I'm here, which means this is your safe space. Go grab your iPad minis. Let's get crazy. Go find your favorite toilet seat and sit on it. Sam isn't here. If you couldn't tell, Sam left you. That's right. Sam left you like my dad left me. What does Sam say for this? What are you waiting for? If you're excited for today's video, drop a like down below. It seriously helps Sam not throw himself in front of a bus. And click that subscribe button. Actually, no. Sam, go subscribe to my channel. Go there and hit the button. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you here. I'm going into this blind. Sam sent me a list of things that I'm supposed to talk about for the video, so here we go. First up from the day, story numero uno. Am I allowed to say that here? Is that cool? I guess iOS 15.4.1 was released. Okay.
Yo, what's up?
Hey man, am I really supposed to talk about iOS 15 4000 or whatever?
Yeah, that was like the one thing you were supposed to do. Are you not gonna do it?
Okay, fine. What am I supposed to say? What's like the first thing? Because I don't see it here on the script.
I literally sent it to you. It's the battery drain thing. You didn't have the battery drain thing?
What happens to the battery?
I don't know. It drains. That's what they said.
That sucks. Okay, sorry. I'm just making sure I have all the things. I'm not recording yet. What's the second thing?
Do you really want me to give you this one by one?
Yeah, what's the second bullet point, Sam? Hurry, I'm in a hurry.
Bullet point is there's accessibility updates, okay?
Okay.
Like, like the hearing aids were fixed.
Okay, that's, fine. What's the third thing? Is there a third thing, or is that it?
No, that's it. Why couldn't you read? I literally am looking at what I sent you.
All right, thanks, man. Gotta go. Gotta go record the video now. Thanks, that's good enough. Bye.
What?
Nope, see you later. All right, that'll work. Did you get that? Okay. Also in the news, Apple won't fix missing iPhones anymore. Okay. What? I'm sorry, huh? Okay. Huh? What? Apple was fixing missing iPhones before? That's the thing they did? Why? I mean, you don't need me to tell you, right? You know why that's a problem. Effectively, the story's like, if you bring in a missing iPhone, is that really what we're calling it? Sure, yeah, okay. If you find a missing iPhone and you want it fixed, when you take it in, an Apple technician will now check beep boop boop bop on their computer, see if the device has been marked as missing. And if it is, then they're gonna send Tim Cook himself right there to tackle your ass and send you to jail, to prison. Not really, but they won't fix it. Bottom line, do not bring that iPhone that you stole, Sam, into the Apple Store. They will not fix it for you. They will decline it. They will say, no, go home. But the better question here is, why in the cockle-doodle was that a thing before? Are you really telling me burglars could just be like, hi, I found this, and, it's broken. And oh my God, the news outlets are the worst. They're the worst. The articles about this are like, by no longer fixing missing iPhones, Apple is likely to cut back on iPhone theft. Yes, good job everyone. Oh yes, oh so good. Wow, fantastic. Really, great detective work. Next week, we'll work on colors. How's that? And now, we interrupt this program to ruin your day, which shouldn't be new for you. You're subscribed to Sam, so your day is ruined every time he uploads. Anyhow, I'm gonna say a couple words, more than a couple, it's gonna be a few words, and then you tell me, how does that make your heart feel? Ready? Touch ID, iPhone. Touch ID coming back to the iPhone. It sounds great, right? You want it? Too bad. Pretty much since Face ID happened, we have been missing Touch ID. As a collective unit, we missed it. We cried tears of sadness and whatever. And listen, it's not that Touch ID is better than Face ID. It's just that it's better. Other companies like Samsung and Google and I don't know any other Android companies. Leave me alone. Those companies have found ways to integrate a fingerprint scanner under display panels, and we've been waiting for Apple to do it. I mean, we've been hearing rumors for years now that Touch ID was coming back, and Apple was going to do the same. Put a fingerprint scanner under the display. All the way up until like a month before release, we were hearing that the iPhone 13 was definitely for sure, absolutely gonna get Touch ID under the display. Then that wasn't a thing. They said, never mind. So we all just assume iPhone 14, right? That's the next one. So it's gonna be in that. Right? Kuoming Chi tweeted the other day saying, yeah, no to Touch ID this year. In fact, no to Touch ID next year too, and year after that one. I previously predicted iPhones would support under-display fingerprint sensing, Touch ID, in 2023 at the earliest, but the latest survey indicates that new iPhones in 2023 and 2024 may not adopt under-display Touch ID. Face ID with a mask on iPhone is already a great biometrics solution. Bro, how? What is the issue? How is this so hard? Just put it, hey, under the power button. Put it under the power button. Where's my phone? See this? Hey, look, I broke my phone the other day, so it's kind of shattered everywhere. But hey, look at the thing, the power button. Put it there. Put it there. My iPad mini has Touch ID in the power button. And that's just one of the many reasons why it's a superior Apple. Apple, dog, put it in the power button, please. At this point, I don't even want it anymore. I just think they need to do it on principle. Stop playing games and just do it. Or if you're not gonna let us scan our fingers, at least let us scan something else. Sam, no, you let it happen. Sam, don't cut away! FBI, open up! Go find your favorite toilet seat and have a seat. Do that. That was gonna be good. Bro, kill me. This sucks. How do you do this? I miss front page tech. This is stupid. Also, this ends with me taking my pants off, so just to warn you. Could you get me the burglar's mask? Okay, it's recording, so just throw it here.
You mean this one?
Yeah, it's recording, so just throw it here. I mean, only Sam's gonna see it, but still.
Did you put makeup on? Sam, he wears makeup.
It's not makeup, it's tinted moisturizer.
Sam, he wears
and she
makeup.
got it. He's gonna include this now
No, he's not.
that you said that.
He wears a little bit of makeup.
It's not makeup. Can you give me the mask? I'm a professional. Don't put it on me. No. Okay, thank you. Put the burglar mask thing here. I'm waving my hands. Do it. Put the burglar mask thing
let's cut.
here. Ah! Don't put this in there. Other companies like Samsung and Google and I don't know any other Android companies. Real quick, if you don't mind, what is the issue? You see this? Oh. I accidentally called 911. I'm gonna die up here if I do this. I know I'm gonna die. If I do this, I will be dead. Okay. Oh!